Which of the following sentences best summarizes the main idea of the passage? As a quick review, the main idea of the passage is the central point that the passage conveys, and one which every sentence either leads up to, mentions, or expounds upon. The sentences of the paragraph may add details about this idea, support it, explain it, etc. Usually, but not always, the main idea can be found in the first sentence, otherwise known as the topic sentence. With this in mind, let's try and identify the main idea of this passage. This passage is an example of one in which the first sentence is the topic sentence. It tells us the what and why of this paragraph. The what being that health professionals emphasize diet as a vital component of disease prevention, and the why being because rates of chronic diseases continue to rise. With this in mind, let's take a look at our choices to see which one best captures this main idea. A plant-based diet includes foods like fruits, vegetables, and grains. Although this is mentioned in the text, this choice makes no mention of the second topic discussed throughout the passage, the health benefits of such a diet. As this choice is missing half of the main idea, we can mark it as incorrect. B, many doctors recommend a plant-based diet to patients with heart disease. Although it's true that this is mentioned in the first sentence, it wouldn't be accurate to say this is the only reason doctors recommend this diet. The passage outlines more: obesity, cholesterol, or blood pressure, for example. As this choice is too specific to be our main idea, we can mark it off. C, adopting a plant-based diet can lead to significant health improvements, such as reduced cholesterol and better heart health. This option touches upon the what and the why we mentioned earlier. It discusses the benefits of a plant-based diet and explains to whom this can be most beneficial. As every sentence of our passage touches upon this point in some way, this is likely our final answer, but we can take a look at choice D just to be sure. D, there are many types of diets, but not all of them are good for your health. This choice is related to our passage only in that it mentions diets. As none of the other components in this choice are even mentioned in our passage, we can mark this choice as incorrect and mark choice C as our final answer.